Good morning students. Hope you are doing well. So before going to session, I would like to sing a song. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little Chuchu wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Students, what do you understand from the poem? Yes, rain. So today our lesson is what? Rain. What is our lesson name? Rain, where does it comes from? So in this lesson, the topics to be covered: forms of water, solid form, liquid form, gaseous form, and evaporation, condensation, clouds and rain, water cycle. Okay? So rain. Where does the rain come from? So before going that, what is the source of water? Yes, rain. The source of water is a rain. So mostly we get rains in rainy season. So we have how many seasons? 3 seasons. Summer season, rainy season and winter season. But in all these seasons, in the rainy seasons, we are getting more rains. Yes. So before going to discuss about rain, we have to discuss about water. Yes. So here we get water in nature 3 forms, that is a solid, liquid, gaseous. So that the water we called as a universal solvent. So why? Because the water can dissolve anything in it and it can easily available in 3 forms, that is a solid form, liquid form and a gaseous form. So once see here. So this is a solid form of water we called as a ice. Solid form of water we called as a ice. Then the liquid form of water. So the normal water when we see in our surroundings. And the gaseous form of water. So for creation of gases, so here I am using electric water heater. Then you can see here vapors of water. So whenever I connect to the plug, then the water heater heated up water, the water vapors are coming out. So see here, you can see some vapors, and like these vapors you also see when you are sipping coffee, tea or milk, or when you are boiling water, you can see these vapors also. So how many forms of water? Solid form, liquid form, gaseous form. Then when we get solid form of water, when we cool the water in refrigerator, then we get water in the form of ice. So we can see the ice form of water in glaciers, in Himalayas, in tundra regions, yes. And this normal water we can see everywhere. And we can see these water vapors when we boil the water. So see here, so when we heat water, then it change into water vapor. When we cool the water, we again get water. Yes, we cool again and again, then we will get ice. When we heat the ice and we get water. So both the in this equation we can see both the reactions. Water from ice, ice from water. Then water from water vapor, water vapor from water. Again ice. Okay. And next we will go to discuss evaporation. So what is evaporation? So evaporation is the process of changing water into water vapor is called evaporation. So when the evaporation is occur, when we heat the water, then the water change into water vapor. So that phenomena we called evaporation. See here I am heating water. Then you see inside I pour some water. Then the water vapor comes out from this machine. This is a heater, water heater. Understood? And next condensation. So what is the condensation? The process of conversion water vapor into water is called a condensation. So we collect the water vapor, and when we cool the water vapor, then it turns into water. See here, see. So here this is a what? Cool substance. Here I kept some ice pieces. Then I brought near toward this water vapor. See here, you can see some water droplets around the glass. Yes. So whenever the water vapor touches to the cool surface, again it turns into water. So when the water vapor turns into water, when the water vapor touches to the cool surface, it again turns into water. If we collect this water vapor and we keep in the fridge, then it again turns into ice. Yes. So this is the condensation. In next session, we will go to learn clouds, how the clouds will form and how the rain will form, and about water cycle. Thank you, children.